Hey guys, can you solve 8 plus 2 and 8 minus 2? Okay, 8 plus 2 equals 10 and 8 minus 2. Now 10 and 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now here is multiply. 10 times 6 equals 60. This is not correct answer, guys. So first of all, follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So parentheses first, then exponents, right? Then multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, solve again. Inside the parentheses, 8 minus 2. Okay, so 8 plus 2, 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now here is a multiply, so multiply first, not plus, right? So 8 plus 2 times 6 equals 12. Now 8 plus 12 equals 20.